it looks like the wait is almost over. A shocking settlement deal between Ripple and the SEC has been made public after years of court fights. It could change everything for XRP. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, has dropped a clue about a big number, $18,036. Investors are trying to figure out what it means. Could this be the last price of an XRP and a big payout? Do they have to pay this settlement? Does it mean something even bigger? XRP has been held back for a long time by regulatory uncertainty. The deal could be the big break that sends the price through the roof. If Ripple and the SEC can finally come to an understanding, XRP could be free to become widely used by everyone. This could bring in institutional investors and cause its value to skyrocket. But is this the future of XRP and all cryptocurrencies? For those who don't know, the case between Ripple and the SEC has been one of the biggest in the history of cryptocurrencies. When the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission sued Ripple Labs in December 2020, they said that XRP was an unregistered asset. The SEC said Ripple raised more than $1.3 billion illegally by selling XRP without getting permission from the right authorities. The case sent shockwaves through the cryptocurrency market right away. Major exchanges took XRP off their lists, leaving people wondering what the future holds for it. Ripple has fought hard over the years, saying that XRP is not a security but a digital currency like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The case has had its ups and downs, with small court wins along the way. Some judges have even called into question the Sachs method, which gave many investors hope that Ripple would win the case in the end. In the meantime, the lawsuit has kept XRP's price low because possible investors and institutions are still unsure about the case. After going to court over and over for more than 3 years, reports of a settlement deal are spreading quickly. If this leaked deal is real, it could mean that the SEC's case against Ripple is over. This would finally clear the way for XRP to move forward without any legal problems. But what does this payment really mean? And what does the $18,036 number that Ripple's CEO gave us mean? Let's look at the specifics more closely. People in the crypto world are very interested in the information that was leaked about the Ripple SEC settlement. The most interesting thing about this news is that Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse brought up the $18,036 number. What does this number really mean, though? Few people think it's the full amount that Ripple has decided to pay the SEC to end the case. Others think it might have something to do with a certain way of paying XRP holders who were hurt by the case. This number is making a lot of people wonder, but nothing has been proven for sure. Sources close to the case say that after years of going to court, Ripple and the SEC may have found a middle ground. If there is a settlement, Ripple could keep doing business without admitting any wrongdoing, and the SEC could say that they won their fight to enforce crypto industry rules. If this is true, it would finally make things clear for regulators, which could lead to big exchanges relisting the token and more people using it. It's been a while, but neither Ripple nor the SEC has officially confirmed the deal. But lawyers think that a solution might be close because both sides may want to avoid a long court fight. It could be one of the most important times in XRP's history if the deal that was leaked turns out to be real. But the big question is how this will change the price of XRP. Let's look at what's possible. Ripple and the SEC have reached a deal. This could have a big impact on the price of XRP. The case has been going on for years. Large financial companies and investors aren't fully embracing XRP because of the lack of certainty surrounding it. Once there was a settlement, there would no longer be any doubt, which would allow institutions to adopt the cryptocurrency and allow it to be listed again on big exchanges such as Coinbase and Binance. If people believe in XRP more, this could cause its price to go through the roof. In the past, when things went well in court cases, the price of XRP went up. In 2023, when Ripple won important court cases against the SEC, XRP went up by more than 10% in just a few hours. If this settlement officially clears Ripple of any wrongdoing, the price could go up even more, maybe breaking through resistance and hitting new highs. Some experts think that a confirmed settlement could push XRP above $1.50, while others think it will go up to $5 or even $10 in the long term if more people start using it. That being said, there are still some gaps in knowledge. If the deal includes if strict rules limit Ripple's activities or fine them a lot, it could slow the growth of XRP. Also, clear rules for regulators are good for the crypto business, but it's not clear how the market as a whole will respond to the deal's final terms. Will the price of XRP go through the roof right away, or will the market need some time to adjust? Could this settlement finally make it possible for big banks and other businesses around the world to use XRP? Let's talk about the possible downsides and risks of this deal. For XRP investors, the news of a possible deal is exciting, but there are still a lot of risks and unknowns to think about. First, the agreement specifics have not yet been confirmed. If the $18,036 number that was leaked is real, we still don't know what it means. Is it a fine that Ripple needs to pay investors who lost money? Or could it be something else? Until a formal statement comes out, there will be more rumors, and the market may react in ways that are hard to predict. Another big worry is whether the deal will come with strict rules from the government. If Ripple has to change how it works, limit its services in some areas, or agree to some level of SEC oversight, it could hurt the long-term prospects of XRP. Also, even if the case is dropped, that doesn't mean that everyone will adopt right away. Institutional investors might be careful before putting all of their money into XRP, and other countries' regulatory bodies could still put their own limits on it. It's also possible that the deal will not go through. It's possible that the case will last longer than planned if talks between Ripple and the SEC fail at the last minute. This could cause more uncertainty and market volatility. Investors need to be ready for anything that could happen. What does this all mean for the future of XRP? Should buyers be hopeful, or is there still too much that they don't know? Finally, let's talk about that is one of the most important events in XRP's past. If the settlement goes through, it could finally give investors and institutions the legal clarity they've been waiting for. This could make more people use XRP, get it back on big exchanges, and cause its price to go through the roof. As short-term gains, some experts think that XRP could go over $1.50. If demand keeps growing, gains could be even bigger. It's important to be careful, though. The specifics of the settlement won't be known until official comments are made public. The $18,036 number that Ripple's CEO stated has caused a lot of talk, but it's impossible to know what it really means without more information.